Hey guys, welcome back to SHOEGR Academy. And today we have the original Adidas Samba. They don't look very pretty right now, but we will work on them. But all I want to say about them that these are very pocket-friendly shoes, very versatile shoe, and I think they look really great. But they equally need care as well. And for this, we have for you none other than SHOEGR Standard Kit. Yes, this includes one microfiber towel, 100 ml solution, and an all-purpose brush that will work on your uppers, midsoles and your outsoles as well. So let's start the process. So I will take our collapsible bowl, some water, 100 ml solution. So you don't need much, all you need is 3 squirts in the water. 1, 2, 3, that's it. So the very basic step is to take out the laces and just dip it in the solution. You don't have to work very hard on these because the solution does all the work. So we just have to dip it in the solution and just keep it dipped. Now we will take our all-purpose brush. So this is an all-purpose brush. So we'll just dust with very light hands. And as you can see, we have suede. So we won't directly, start rubbing it with the solution. We'll just dust it off slightly. Now we'll just dip the brush and give it a good rub. So first I'm working my way with the uppers. I'll try and avoid the suede lines. And now I will go straight to the tongue. Give it a good rub. It's just my first cleaning and I can clearly see the difference. Now I will take our microfiber towel. So I will just wipe the shoe with it. Now we will work on the midsoles. Just look at the foam. So we are done with the midsoles and now we'll move to the outsoles. And this brush will work perfectly on it, so don't worry. So now let's just wipe this foam off and look at the difference, guys. So now as our shoe is done, we'll get to the laces. I just keep that to the side and I'll take out the laces and just give them a good rub. Take one end of the string and just pull it through. And there you go. So as we can see, there's definitely a major difference and a big one thanks to SHOEGR Standard Kit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below of any shoe cleaning that you would like to see. So do subscribe to our channel. Love and light to you all, and we'll be back very soon with another informative video. So take care. Bye.